Hi, I'm Megan with the Bell Museum, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Milky Way murals.
In this activity, each person will create a piece of a community mural. Once all of the pieces are painted, they will be put together as a community mural of the Milky Way. The first step is to use a white crayon to draw a picture or design on your card. Though it's hard to see now, the paint will not stick to the crayon wax and the drawing will appear after the card is painted. Be creative. What could be found in space? What designs could be found in space? The next step is to paint your entire card. This can be a messy activity, so you'll want to prepare your surface with a table covering or newspapers. You will also need to have fresh water available and a way to replace dirty water. As you are painting your card, you'll see the designs that you drew with your crayon appear. Once you are done with your painting, you can add even more dimension using salt. The salt will react with the water, creating unique patterns. Experiment with this. If your paper is too wet, the salt may just dissolve without a reaction. And if your paper is too dry, the salt may just fall right off. You can add a little salt or a lot, it's up to you. Once your paintings are dried, tip them over to get any excess salt off, and then arrange all of your cards together to create your new community Milky Way mural.